Welcome friends. In this video I am going to do technical analysis of Terra Virtua Collect TVK token, and I will definitely tell you my next immediate short-term targets, my next long duration targets, and my next medium duration target for this token. So please subscribe my YouTube channel, join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Links are in this video's description, and please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. This is the Terra Virtua Collect page of CoinGecko, and currently it is trading at $0.82. Price increases in 24 hours 7.2%. Rank of this token is 245. Actually, it is a non-fungible token, NFT token, and you all knows that this is the year of NFT tokens, and NFT token has huge potential and having very bright future in near future. I think this token will give maximum profit to its holders. That is why I am making this video. Once you click on this tab, it will lead you to the website. Visit this website. This is the website, Terra Virtua Collecting Reinvented. This is the website. Please, before investing in this token, do your own research. I am not a financial advisor. I am making this video just for informational purpose only. Do your own research before entering in this project or before buying this token. This is the website, very beautiful website, and here you can see very beautiful website. Here you can see 1 hour and 50 minutes auctions. You can buy these NFTs by auctions. And that is why I think this token has very bright future, because this is the year of NFT tokens. Let me please show you some price statistics. Market cap of this token is 179 million. 24-hour trading volume of this token is 32 million. Circulating supply of this token is 219 million. Circulating total maximum supply of this token is 1.2 billion. And 24-hour low price of this token is $0.76, and 24-hour high price of this token is $0.88. In 30 days, this token gives 63% to its holders. Market cap dominance of this token is 0.01%, and all-time high of this token was on March 15, 2021, just 13 days ago, and the price was $1.21. All-time low of this token was on December 23, and the price was 0.03318, and it was on December 23, 2020, just 3 months ago. This is the chart, and let me please show you. It is available on these exchanges: Binance, Uniswap, Biloxi, and BitMEX. If you want to buy this token on Binance exchange, just click on this link. This link is available on this video's description or in this video's comment section. Just click on this link and create your Binance account. It will take only 20 seconds to make. And this is the link of Hotbit. And if you want to collect some small cap altcoins, then click on this link and you can create your account. And this is the link of Bybit exchange, where you can do leverage trading. And if you want to do, then click on this link and make your account within 30 seconds, I think so. Let's dive into the chart, and let me please show you what are the targets. This is the TVK USD 1 hour chart, and it is currently trading at $0.83. Price all-time high of this chart is $1.28, and let me please show you. This is the US dollar 1 hour chart of Binance, and these green lines are the support lines for this token, and these red lines are resistance levels for this token. And currently it is at $0.83, and currently it is in the ascending channel. And let me please tell you my first target of this ascending channel. Once it breaks this zone, let me please show you. Once it breaks this zone, definitely it will go to hit this zone. And what is the target? Let me please show you. Friends, please keep supporting, and please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. According to the technical this will be the target. Once it break this, you can say this is our first target. $1.09 will be our first target. It will go up, and definitely it have to hit this zone, but for this it should have to break this horizontal resistance, which is currently at $0.89. Once it break this, then definitely price will go up, market will go up, and definitely it have to hit this target. And let me please show you my second target. These are immediate short-term targets. I mean to say, these are the targets this token can achieve within days, within 1 week, within maybe 2 weeks. But this token can achieve these targets very near future, in very near future. This will be our second target, $1.16. $1.09 is our first target, and $1.16 will be our second target. And let me please show you my long duration targets of this token right now. And friends, please keep supporting me, and please subscribe my YouTube channel and join my Telegram channel for more informative content. This is the uptrend line. It should have to break to move towards upside. Once it break this uptrend line, which is currently is at $0.87. Once it break this zone 0.87, then it have to break 0.89. These are two major resistances right now. 0.86 now down, 0.86 and 0.89 are two major resistances for this token. Once it breaks 0.86 and 0.89, then definitely price will go up, and definitely it will hit $1.10, $1.16, or maybe $1.28 in coming days, in very near future. And let me please show you my long duration targets, medium and long duration targets. Friends, please keep supporting me, and please thumbs up the like button right now. It is currently struggling to break this upside trend line and this horizontal resistance. Once it breaks, definitely it will go up. Let me please show you what are the targets. Please keep supporting me, friends. Definitely I will bring more informative and useful content like this, and it will help you. I think $3 is my target for 6 months. I think in 6 months this token can hit $3, I think so, and this is very realistic target. This is the target. In 3 months, I think this token have to hit this, and this is very realistic. And let me please show you my long duration targets. I think $5 is very realistic target for this token, and it can hit this within 2021, and it can hit this zone, and definitely it can give you 500% gain within this year. I think this is very realistic target for this token, and I think this token have to hit this because you all know that cryptocurrency, this is the year of NFT tokens, and NFT tokens having very bright future in this year, and definitely it have to hit these targets, and these are very realistic targets, I think so. And if you like this video, then please thumbs up the like button right now, and please keep supporting me, and please thumbs up the like button right now, because I will bring more useful and more informative content like this for you. So please keep supporting me, and please thumbs up the like button right now. Thanks for the watching, friends. Take care.